Well, here we are, folks. We got some trees that we cut down. The piles are the brush that we're not going to be using. And then we got the big logs separated. And the homeowner is going to push away the brush with it and logs with his loader. So we got those. We got a pile over there. And we got a pile further over there. We'll walk over to. Also took down some trees over there. Got a nice big property here. Tree there and tree over there. Tree there. And got this nice tree here, tree over there, tree behind it. And we also got one tree way over there.